So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC biology exam revision series, we have here these two questions to answer on the topic basic ecological concepts. So guys, this video will be about producers. So in short, stay to the end of this video. So let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, which of the following organism is a producer? A. Spirogyra, B. Rhizopus, C. Yeast, D. Mucor. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's the Spirogyra. The Spirogyra is the green organism here, the organism that has chlorophyll here and is able to photosynthesize. So it is the producer out of all the organisms here. The rest of the organisms here do not possess chlorophyll and therefore cannot be regarded as producers. So the most appropriate answer to this question is the Spirogyra. It's actually a type of green algae that is capable of carrying out photosynthesis, and that's the answer to this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. Question number 2 here, it says, which of the following organisms is not a producer? We have A. Spirogyra mucor mushroom, B. Mucor chlamydomonas and euglena, C. Man, maize and cowpea, D. Man, mucor and mushroom. So guys, looking at the options here, the level where we don't have a producer here is option D, and that's man, mucor and mushroom. So producers are actually autotrophs, right? And the organisms that can produce their own food from substances that are available in their surroundings using light or chemical energy. So those that make use of light are photosynthetic, whereas those that make use of chemical energy are chemosynthetic. So in the last option here, option D, man, mucor and mushroom are not producers. So man is a consumer, it cannot produce its own food. Mucor and mushroom are both fungi and they are decomposers and not producers. So they obtain their nutrients by breaking down dead organic materials. So guys, that's the correct answer to this question: man, mucor and mushroom. And this is where we end this video for today. So guys, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community, where we'll post major updates on WAEC examination. So we encourage you to do that by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. So thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.